Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to use Meta AI and I will show you how to generate photos and videos with Meta AI, and we explore different features of Meta AI app. So in this app, you have to have a Facebook or Instagram account to log in into this app. Then after coming into this app, you have this interface. It's like a TikTok. You have different kind of videos coming into your feed. So if you like it or don't, you just, if you want to generate another video, you have to go to plus. So here I have to put my prompt, like describe an image or video, create video from photo, create a video of my photo singing wishes by, anything like this, change my video's background to we can explore different features. So here I am going to generate an image. So I am writing generate image of cat playing football. So it will take a little bit of time, then it will generate a photo. So here are the results. Cat playing a football. Here are giving me a 4 results. So if I want to animate this, so here are the options. Lip sync, I don't want lip sync or restyle. If you want to change anything in your photo, so you can do this also. So here I am going to animate this photo. Animate, I can say cat throw a ball, football. This will, okay, let's see how it will generate. So here is my video. It not accurately follow my prompt. This is just a general animation, so you can create general animation in this app and general photos as many as you want. If you want accuracy or anything like that, you have to use different apps. This is, I think, free app, so you can use general to generate general images and animate general videos. So here it is. Hope you like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel, and please forgive me my broken English.